Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've had a long day and you'd like to eat something that's quick without compromising on taste, consider trying this recipe. I'm making butter garlic roast potatoes. I'm using potatoes, olive oil, unsalted butter, salt, mixed herbs, garlic powder and onion powder. Feel free to use fresh garlic if preferred. I start by peeling and chopping potatoes into large even chunks before boiling them in salted water. I add them into a large pot topped with water and salt. I bring the pot to a rapid boil, then boil on medium heat for 10 minutes or until the potatoes are soft but still firm. I drain the potatoes and in a skillet, I heat some olive oil and add unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, I add the potatoes, followed by mixed herbs, garlic powder and onion powder. I stir this gently until all the potatoes are covered by the butter, herbs and spices. I now put these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. You can let them bake for longer if you like your potatoes crispy. Our potatoes are now ready to serve. They are so tasty and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I like eating these by themselves with tomato sauce, but they pair well with grilled meats and steamed vegetables. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, engage in the comments section, share and tap the subscribe button below. Remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next video.